SLIF is the jewelry company I'm wearing today. I got this chain link earrings. It's minimalist, and you can choose from 3 colors. There's rose gold, silver, and gold. Also, I got a necklace from this company. It's the choker that I'm wearing today, or in this video. This open circle necklace. There's also 3 colors. Check them out, guys. If you guys are interested, check out the description box. The information is down below. Thanks. I'm wearing their earrings. This one is a chain link, but it's a geo too. And this one is a necklace that, let's wear it. It's so pretty. So you can wear this just like that, or you can also twist it again and make a choker necklace. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today, I'm going to create another look for you guys using the So Jaded palette. My eyes are already prepped with MAC Paint Pot. I already used my Huda Beauty foundation. Morphe concealer is actually pretty good. I got 2 of them. I just ordered another shade because the first one that I ordered was actually too light for me. I use L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer for my contour. And I also use KKW Beauty Loose Powder, the yellow one. It's the number 3. And what else did I use? Oh, I used Jeffree Stars. I used this one mixed in with my foundation. It's so beautiful. My skin right now is like glass. Look at that. What? I'm glowing. My skin is glowing right now like glass. This one is Frostbite. I love his liquid frost. People don't know how to use his liquid frost. Brilliant. Let's get to the palette, shall we? Jaclyn Hill JH30. This one is from Morphe. I'm gonna go in the color Jasper. I'm gonna start with a little bit. You know, that's how I roll. I always start with a little bit and then add more and more. That way I can control what I put in. It's harder. It's a lot of work, but you can control what you put in, and also you don't have fallout. Ooh. Yes, already looking good. I can stop right here. Coral is right here, so if you guys hear something alien-ish sound, that's her. Beautiful! Look at that, that's beautiful. I'm gonna use a Colourpop blending brush. Next, I'm gonna get Stoned Dark Gray shadow. I can't say it's almost black, because when I say it's black, I mean black, but it's very dark gray. I'm gonna put Stone right here to increase the depth of my eyeshadow. Deepen this shade right on my crease. Can you guys see I'm turning my eyeshadow brush this way right here if I want to create a wing, and if I want to blend, I put it this way. So it's not just like what brush to use, but also how you use your brush. Play with your brushes and play with the colors, play how you put them. You can increase the potential of your bra. Not your bra, your brushes. Kathleen Lights actually said that this is the shade Stone that she is using to replace the black. She doesn't even use black anymore. This is the shadow that she used to deepen her looks, and it's actually pretty good. I'm actually impressed. So pretty, look at that. Look at these shadows and how they're blending. It's pretty good, right? Alright, next I'm going to use a small shader brush. This is Luxie 254. And I'm gonna get this shade Alexandrite right here. I'm gonna put that right here. You guys see like there's something sparkly on my eyelid? That's not from the eyeshadow. That is actually from the Jeffree Star liquid frost that I put all over my face. So it's in my foundation and it's magical. Like when you rub or blend the powder on top, the glitters comes out from the frost. It's so pretty. Alexandrite is so pretty too. I'm gonna use my finger just to go in. Yep. Look what we created so far. It's so pretty. These four right here go so well with each other. I'm gonna use this right here. Let's get the JH42. This is from Jaclyn Hill Morphe again. This is the smallest, I think this is a shading brush too. I'm gonna get small quartz. Put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm also going to put small quartz under my eyebrows. Very pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna go back to our first brush and give it a little bit of a blend right here. No product. I didn't pick up any product, just whatever is left on the brush. Next, I'm gonna get Jasper again, but I'm gonna use a tiny brush. This one is from MODA Pro. This one is from my Boxycharm. It is the Detail 420. I like the handle for this one. It has this like grip, like smart grip. I'm gonna get Jasper and put that under my eye. Connect it, the top shades, the outer corner of my eye. Smoke it a little. I smoked it a little. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of stone with the same brush and put it at the outer corner. So pretty. So this is what we created. I'm just gonna clean up, take this powder under my eye. Sometimes I get fallout on my nose and that's just natural. That's why I put powder on my nose too before I do my eyes. If you're not comfortable with fallouts, you can do the eyes first before for your face. Next, I'm going to tight line my under waterline and my upper waterline. And then I'm gonna put mascara on, wing line, and put my eyelashes. I'm gonna show you guys how to put my eyelashes soon. All right, I'll be back. Done with my eyeliners. For my lower waterline, I use MAC. This is the designer Purple Pearl Glide. It's intense eyeliner. This has small glitters, so if you have sensitive eyes, do not buy this. Do not use it. And I use to waterline my top waterline or the upper waterline with the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. This works so good for me. I have watery eyes and this one works very well and it's so cheap too. It's like $3, $4. LA Girl. It's a hit or miss though. Sometimes they have really good stuff, but sometimes like no stuff. And I use my Magnetic eyeliner. This is the liquid liner from Glamnetic. If you guys are interested, check out my description box down below and it will say whatever you need to know about Glamnetic. For my mascara, I used my trusted Superhero from IT Cosmetics. This is amazing. I received this from my Boxycharm and I haven't used any other mascara since then. And it lasts me like a long time. This is like months now. 3-4 months. Alright, so this is the look. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use, which one? Lush. I have 3 of them and they're amazing. I love them so much. I'm going to use my Lush lashes. This is how they look like. They're amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah, I'm kind of torn between Lust and Lush right now. This is Lust and this is Lush. Use this one, Lush. Let's use Lush, okay? So this is the Magnetic eyelashes and I am already wearing my Magnetic liquid eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is just pop these babies. Alright. And then that's it. They're on. That's so pretty. So pretty. Amazing. And if you want to adjust them, it's easy to remove and put it on right away. No more messy glue. No more drama. Okay. See that? Amazing. It amazes me every time I put my my eyelashes now. Done with my eyes. Now my eyes are done. I'm just gonna put a little bit of bronzer. When you're done with your eyeshadow, your eyes, and so intense, you have to add more on your face too. Can't just be like bam on your eyes and nothing on the face. Alright. Gonna zoom you guys out. I don't know if I should put highlighter because I'm already so shiny from within. Because I use this Jeffree Star Liquid Frost. Coco, say hi! She is mobile now. She tries to get out of her chair all the time. She makes that growling noises. She's trying to take off her buckle. I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Prisma Glow. I'm gonna use this JH09. This is the Jaclyn Hill. I got the complete set. So guys, don't worry about my brushes. I'm not promoting Morphe. I'm not affiliated or anything. I just love Morphe. Here we go. Dominique Cosmetics is pretty good. She knows what she wants. She knows what she's doing. I'm using all 3 powder highlighter. I'm not using the cream one. That highlight on my nose, that's super cool, right? Alright, next, this is the brow gel from Tonya Crooks. So I'm just gonna brush my brows to take away all that powder that flew on my eyebrows while I was doing all this powder on my face. I love the spoolie for this one. This is the shade Brown Hair 02. Alright, good brows. Kylie Cosmetics, this is my favorite blush. These are my favorite blushes. All really good. It's just which one is the right tone for you, the right shade. This one is We're Going Shopping. It's for medium skin like me. I'm just gonna use the Jeffree Star. I already have my eyelashes. I'm just gonna spray and cover my eyelashes. Alright, so this is the look, and I'm gonna put some nude lip. Of course, I'm gonna use my KKW Beauty. This one is the lip 1.5. I think I haven't used this on camera yet. This is 1.5 if you guys. I just put out my top 10 nude lipsticks. Check it out. I'm gonna link the video on my description box if you guys want to see. There's a lot of people said that KKW beauty products suit me well. They look good on me, and thank you for that. I think Kim Kardashian really know what she's doing with her lip products. It's really good. I'm gonna overline my lips. For my lips, I'm going to use KKW Beauty Lip 3.5. This is number 3.5. You can use a brush to blend it. The KKW Beauty lipsticks are so easy to blend with a lip liner. Some lipsticks that are matte are harder to blend, so you can use a blending brush or pencil brush like this kind of brush right here. You can blend the lip liner and the lipstick, but right now I don't see anything that I should blend. Actually pretty good. Alright, I think we got the look and it's done. This is another look. This is from the palette So Jaded, Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Cosmetics. This is, I think, their best palette. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. It is very important. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. See you in my next video. Bye. Wait, hold up. You got scared, Coco? I'm sorry. If you guys want to make this Halloweeny, how do you create a pretty makeup, a pretty perfect makeup like this and make it a Halloween makeup? Stay tuned. There's more. Yes.